here on my YouTube channel. My name is Ford, and for today's video, I'm mag-unbox at mag-review tayo ng engagement ring. Woo! So, this is in collaboration with my love true brand. Thank you so much, my love true brand, for sponsoring this video. It's such a great honor to collaborate with your brand. For those of you who are planning to surprise their girlfriend, their wives, their mother-in-law, or your girl best friends, planning to propose on their special someone that cannot afford to purchase a real diamond, this video is for you. Before we begin, I would like to give you a quick overview about my love true brand. So this brand is a jewelry brand which interprets the concept of beauty, classic and meticulous craftsmanship, endows the jewel spiritual experience. My True Love brand is partnered with Asian and Belgian loves that grows Moissanite Diamonds, which are not more affordable but more brilliant than natural diamonds. So this is what it looks like. Actually, it arrived already last week, but I just have now the time to unbox this package from them. So I just can't wait to show it to you guys how beautiful is my love true jewelry brand collections. They have a lot of collections that are made from Moissanite Diamonds. So this is how it looks like, the packaging. So if you see the packaging of Tiffany & Co, it looks similar. It is in a dark blue in color, and it have the gold circle in front, the style. So when you open it, ta-da! It's really beautiful engagement ring. So the name of this ring is Romantic Flower Engagement Ring. So look at that, guys. It's very beautiful. I really love it. And look how elegant looking is this ring. So if you are looking for affordable and substitute for real diamonds, my love true brand is perfect to purchase. This ring represents as its unforgettable memory of two people in love. And flower-shaped ring is most often used by boys who proposes to girl, and a flower ring design is more romantic than diamond designs. And this ring represents also as a long-lasting and as a protection for their feelings forever. How amazing is that? Just so you know, guys, my love true brand, actually they are using moissanite stones. I did some research about moissanite stones. I found out that moissanite stones are the best, one of the best alternative for real diamonds. So it's more cheaper than real diamonds, but it more looks similar than the natural diamonds. So what is moissanite diamonds? Moissanite diamonds is the second hardest gemstones, which is more similar looking with the natural diamonds. When it comes to its appearance, its durability, its thickness, although the moissanite diamond is more cheaper than natural diamonds, it's more brilliant than natural diamonds. And it has a hardness scale of 9.25 to 9.50 hardness scale, while the diamonds has 10. And when it comes to the index scale, moissanite diamonds index scale is 2.65, while the diamonds are 2.41, which is more lower than the moissanite stones. Just like diamonds, guys, moissanite stones are also last forever, and also the moissanite diamonds are capable of resisting a high temperature. Moissanite stones fire luminance is 0.104. It's double than natural diamonds, because the natural diamonds is only 0.44 fire luminance. So because of its appearance, its durability, its brilliance, moissanite stone is one of the best alternatives for diamonds on engagement rings. or so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you decide which one to buy on my luxury brand. Please like, share, and subscribe here on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell like that you will get notified on my future uploads. See you on my next video.